All right, prime time. Here's the video to randomize, or not to randomize, to find the winner of break number one, which is one of the 86 Fleer NBA cards. So we'll check the time here, July 17th at, we'll let this roll over here to 7:29 p.m. There we go. We're going to go over to the raffle and type live. And we have July 17th at 7:29 p.m. There's the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. All right, 10 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Tony Spot 6 is our winner. So Tony, whatever we opened in box number 1 tonight is yours. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, July 17th at 7:29 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.